Welcome back to Saving Mamacita. So glad you guys could join me here today. Oh my goodness, it has been a hot minute since we have done an unboxing / try on. So today is one of those days we are gonna get into it. So what do I have for you? I have a bag of goodies from a fun little company. They sent me a bunch of items to try on for you guys, and they actually have a store right on Amazon. So you can go ahead and shop their inventory right on Amazon. And if you're a Prime member, which I am, you can get your items super quick, which I absolutely love so much. So let's go ahead and see what they have inside here for me. Okay, it looks like we have quite a few items and a mixture of different pieces of items, including some dresses, some tops, to give you an idea of prices and also the styles that are available, so you guys can check those out whenever you have a chance. Or if there's something on here that in this haul that you really love and want to check out, I will leave all of those items in my description area. You can just go ahead and click that link and it'll take you right there. So that is super duper freaking amazing. So let's go ahead and get into this haul right now. So for those of you who are wondering, it is this company right here, and you can check them out right on Amazon. All right, so I've got 1 item, 2 items, 3, 4, and 5 pieces from them. So I'm always a little bit nervous when it comes to shopping online, simply because you don't know if the items are gonna fit you, how bad the sizing is off. I know I've had that problem with different companies, but for the most part, they are usually really good at doing an exchange or allowing you to go ahead and get a refund on those items. This is, oh my goodness, super gorgeous. Look at this. It is a white top. It's very lacy, very bohemian style, which I love. It almost looks kind of paisley-ish too. It's got those little swirls on there, as you can see. But look at these sleeves. That is super gorgeous. I love that. So it's gonna be like a see-through sleeve with some fun little chiffon here around the arm. So that's gonna be super fun to try on. And I did order a size large simply because after reading the reviews, I saw that you should probably size up. And I'm kind of between medium and large, so I felt safe going with a large size. So we will try that on in just a little bit and you'll be able to see how it fits. And then Allegra K sent me a black top. I love black. I know it's basic. I know it's not as exciting as other fun floral or other tops that might be more in your face. But the fun thing about black is that you can coordinate, you can, depending on the season, you can add some fun different colored skirts or bottoms, pants, what have you. Look at this top. Oh my goodness. Super cute. I love this top part of the top. super cute. Look at these sleeves. Oh my goodness. Again, it has that see-through type sleeve. It's stretchy on top. It's got a different material here on the bottom. So we'll see how that fits. And I think I went with a large on this one as well. Yes, I did. All right, next piece from Allegra K is, it's like a rosy pink, but this is adorable. Look at this top, you guys. It's got like almost a shimmery look to it, but I love the style. I love the sleeves. Got like a bell sleeve here. The material is, what is this material? Because it does feel kind of scratchy, so I don't know how well I'm gonna like this top. You could wear it, obviously you're gonna have to wear a tank top under it, I think, because it might be a little see-through, but we'll see how it fits and how it looks without a tank top. Size large for this one. And as I mentioned, it's got kind of that scratchier feel on the outside. We'll see how it feels when I put it on. Then I got another black piece, surprise. This is cute. Another black top. Look at that. I love this style. Again, it's the bohemian style. It's long sleeve. It's got a bell sleeve with some crochet type wrap around the arm. And then it looks like it's going to be a little bit more tighter in the arms. We'll see how it fits, but we'll try it on and we'll show you. But the material is not as soft as cotton, but kind of in between this one and this almost satiny one. I'll let you guys know how this one feels when I put it on. All right, and then the last item we have is a dress. I thought this was I think it's a dress. No, it's not a dress. It is a top, but look at that. I love this. So cute. Look at this darn collar, you guys. How cute is that? And the arms, oh, these sleeves are adorable. It is buttoned down, so we will see how that looks. Are you guys ready? Should we go try these on? I'm super excited. Let's do it. This is super adorable. Look at this, you guys. Okay, so underneath it does have like a layered type look to it. So it's kind of like, it is attached. So it is kind of nice that way. But isn't this so cute? Oh my goodness. I love these sleeves. Look how pretty these are. Oh my goodness. And then the back, all I'm wearing is just a pair of jeans, but you could wear some nice black dress pants with this, khakis, whatever. I love this. So, so pretty. It fits perfectly. I think a medium actually would have been a bit too small for me, but this is perfect. So comfortable, so cute. I probably wouldn't wear this bralette underneath. I'd probably go with more of like a white basic bra under it or a white bralette. Yeah, this is super, super pretty. I love that. Okay, so next up is this pink top. It was, I don't know, it feels like it is a little small. I could probably go a size up in this one for sure. Just because the arms are a little, you can see that when I lift up. It's not totally uncomfortable, but I could go up an extra size just so I could feel a little bit more loose in the arms, but it is cute. Okay, you can kind of see that how it goes up like that. Yeah, so probably a size up in this one. This is a large, runs a little smaller. So yeah, I do like the color though. I typically don't go for pink, and usually my hair is more blonde. So when I wear pink, my face will be more washed out. But now that I have darker hair, it really does look good with the pink. So I like the color. I love the style, but definitely probably would have went up a size. It is a little scratchy, but not uncomfortably scratchy. Does that make sense? All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, so here is the black shorter sleeve top. I feel like I probably could have went up a size in this one as well, but it does fit. I personally just like my stuff a little bit more loose. I don't like a real tight fit. The arms, when I go like that, it is okay. The sleeves are fine because they have that elastic band here around the arm, but the length is good. It's cute, it's basic. It's a lot of, I mean, you could wear red pants with these, with this top. I don't know, I like it. I love the style, but again, I probably would have went up a size in this one as well. So what do you guys think? Ooh, yeah! This one is my favorite so far. This is totally my style. This is freaking adorable. Love, love, love it. So it's got that crochet type look going from the top all the way down. It is a little more cropped, which is okay. It's got a stretchy waistband here, so it's not like totally form-fitting, but it gives you that nice tucked in look. It's got these cute little tassel things here. I love the arms. Look at these, gorgeous. Definitely my favorite. It fits me perfect. It is also a large. I would not go smaller. I would not go larger. It is freaking perfect. I love it. I love it. All right, we've got one more to go. Are you ready? It's the red one. Let's try it on now. So here is the red one. I love this style so much. It is so freaking adorable. However, I would go a size up. The arms are a little snug here, very tight around here. Yeah, but the style is so feminine. It's so fun. I love the checkered print. Absolutely gorgeous, but definitely would go a size up on this one. Isn't this cute? I do like it. I do like it a lot. So that concludes the unboxing and try on, you guys. Let's go ahead and do a quick review. All right, so that was a mini haul from Allegra K, and you can find all of their pieces on Amazon. Very convenient to be able to shop from Amazon because if you are a Prime member, as I mentioned earlier, you are able to take advantage of that free shipping, and it's usually a quicker ship as well. So quick review. We got this beautiful top, which I love. I just wish it was a little bit bigger for me. I've been lifting weights, so my muscles have gotten kind of big. But yeah, I love the style. I really do, and I love the color. Definitely would go a size up for sure. Next up, this one was my favorite, you guys. This was the long sleeve black bohemian style cropped shirt. Absolutely love this one. This is by far my absolute favorite. Then we have the short sleeve black. This one is cute, super feminine. I love the sleeves. I love how they're loose. They are more stretchy here in the arm. I love that. I love the lacy look, see-through, super, super adorable. Also would have went up a size in this one as well, but I really do really love the style of this one. The pink one definitely would have went up a size on this one as well. Probably my least favorite of all was this one. I do like the style, but it was a little snug and it is a little scratchy. So that one. And then finally, we've got the white lacy one. Loved this one as well. Probably my second favorite, but I love this feminine look so much. And these sleeves are absolutely adorable. So that concludes my Allegra K haul. What do you guys think? Which item was your favorite? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Again, I will leave all of these items in my description area. You let me know which item was your favorite. And don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe too. I would love that. You guys, we have a lot more fun, a lot more hauls coming your way soon. So you're going to want to hit that subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.